Wondering how all these components work together? Well, the sensors feed data to the computer, which uses computer vision and machine learning to interpret the data and make decisions. The GPS, meanwhile, provides a constant stream of location data, guiding the drone along its path. So, with this advanced technology, drones can fly autonomously, avoid obstacles, and even drop your package at your doorstep. But what else can they do? AI-powered drones are not just about delivering packages. Their applications are much broader. Picture them as vigilant sentinels in the realm of surveillance, capturing real-time data and identifying potential threats with their AI-driven analytics. Imagine them hovering over vast agricultural fields, monitoring crop health, and predicting yields with pinpoint accuracy. Now cast your thoughts to disaster-stricken areas where every second counts. These drones become invaluable assets in search and rescue missions, reaching inaccessible locations and sending critical information faster than any human team could. But that's not all. They are also transforming the way we inspect our infrastructure. From towering skyscrapers to sprawling pipelines, these drones can meticulously scan every nook and cranny, identifying potential issues before they become costly problems. In all these applications, AI-powered drones are saving time, reducing risks, and boosting efficiency in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. AI-powered drones are truly revolutionizing various sectors with their capabilities. But what's the takeaway? The rise of AI-powered drones is undoubtedly an exciting development in technology. We've seen how their potential reaches far beyond delivery services, transforming sectors from agriculture to search and rescue. The magic behind these drones lies in their AI capabilities, enabling them to learn, adapt, and make decisions. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: the sky is no longer the limit when it comes to what drones can achieve. So, next time you order something online, don't be surprised if it arrives by drone.